Nature hides secrets so rare they seem unreal: glowing waters, lightning inside volcanoes, and clouds that shimmer like rainbows. Picture yourself standing on a quiet, deserted beach on a moonless night. The only sounds are the gentle, rhythmic waves lapping at the shore, and the salty breeze brushing against your skin. The darkness is almost complete, with only the faint outline of the horizon visible. Suddenly, as the waves break, the water comes alive with a mysterious, glowing blue light, as if the stars themselves have fallen from the sky and settled on the ocean's surface. The sight is breathtaking. Each wave sparkles with an ethereal blue, illuminating the shoreline in a magical glow. It's as if the ocean has become a living canvas, painted with shimmering strokes of light that dance and flicker with every movement of the water. This surreal phenomenon is called bioluminescence, and it transforms ordinary beaches into otherworldly landscapes that seem straight out of a dream. At the heart of this natural wonder are microscopic organisms known as phytoplankton. When disturbed by waves, footsteps, or even a gentle touch, these tiny creatures emit light through a chemical reaction, creating a dazzling display that can stretch for miles along the coast. The glow is a defense mechanism, a way for these plankton to ward off predators, but for us it's a mesmerizing spectacle that feels almost magical. Some of the world's most famous bioluminescent beaches can be found in the Maldives, where the shores are often bathed in radiant blue light. Here the glowing waves create a surreal, dreamlike atmosphere, drawing travelers from around the globe who hope to witness this rare and beautiful event. The sight of the shoreline sparkling under the night sky is truly unforgettable. In Puerto Rico, Mosquito Bay is renowned for its intense bioluminescence. The water here glows so brightly that every paddle stroke from a kayak or canoe leaves a luminous trail, tracing patterns of light across the surface. It's like painting on water with a brush made of pure energy, and the experience is both exhilarating and deeply peaceful. Even along California's coastline, bioluminescent waves occasionally make a magical appearance, especially during red tide events. Locals and visitors alike gather on the beaches at night, hoping to catch a glimpse of the glowing surf. The blue light rolling in with each wave is a reminder of the ocean's hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. Beneath the surface, countless other bioluminescent creatures like jellyfish and certain types of fish add to the spectacle, creating a vibrant living light show that few people ever get to see. These rare events offer a window into the mysterious world beneath the waves, where life glows in the darkness and the ordinary becomes extraordinary. To witness a bioluminescent beach is to experience one of nature's most enchanting secrets. It's a humbling reminder of the beauty and mystery that exists all around us, often hidden just beneath the surface, waiting for the perfect moment to shine. In the chaos of a volcanic eruption, another phenomenon electrifies the sky: volcanic lightning. As ash and gas shoot upward, colliding particles generate static electricity, sparking bolts of lightning within the ash cloud. Sakurajima in Japan, and Chile's Chaiten volcano are famous for these electrifying displays. The sight is both beautiful and terrifying, a reminder of the raw, unpredictable power beneath our feet. Volcanic lightning is nature's way of showing that even destruction can create moments of awe. In these fiery storms, we witness the Earth's untamed energy unleashed. Deep in Southeast Asia's rainforests, the rainbow eucalyptus tree stands as a living masterpiece. Its bark peels away in patches, revealing bright green that matures into streaks of blue, purple, orange, and maroon. This ever-changing tapestry makes each tree unique, a natural canvas painted by time and weather. Native to the Philippines, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea, these trees are a burst of color amid lush greenery. To see a rainbow eucalyptus is to witness nature's artistry in its purest form. High above, where cirrus clouds drift, sunlight refracts through ice crystals to create fire rainbows, bands of color that blaze across the sky. Despite the name, there's no fire, just sunlight, ice, and the perfect angle. These rare circumhorizontal arcs appear as horizontal streaks of vibrant hues, like a flame frozen in air. Most often seen in summer, fire rainbows are fleeting, vanishing as quickly as they appear. They're a reminder that even the sky can surprise us with its artistry. Amid Antarctica's endless white, a blood-red waterfall spills from the Taylor Glacier, an eerie sight known as Blood Falls. The crimson color comes from iron-rich water, trapped beneath the glacier for millennia, that rusts when exposed to air. As the glacier moves, it forces this ancient salty water up through cracks, staining the ice with a chilling red. Blood Falls is a portal to a hidden world, where life persists in the harshest conditions. It's a stark reminder of the mysteries locked beneath the ice. In winter's grip, rivers sometimes reveal spinning disks of ice, perfectly round, slowly rotating in the current. These ice circles form when cold, dense water creates a vortex, freezing into a disk that's sculpted by the flow. As the disk spins, its edges are smoothed, creating a hypnotic, natural ballet. Ice circles have appeared from the Baltic Sea to Michigan, each one a fleeting marvel. They're a testament to the quiet, intricate forces shaping our world. In the haunting twilight of the polar oceans, a rare and mesmerizing phenomenon unfolds beneath the ice. Brinicles, sometimes called the icy fingers of death, descend silently from the frozen ceiling above, reaching down like ghostly tendrils into the frigid depths. These underwater icicles form in near-total darkness, their slow, graceful movement belying the deadly power they possess. As they grow, Brinicles freeze everything in their path, leaving a trail of ice that can stretch for meters along the ocean floor. Any creature caught in their advance, be it a slow-moving starfish or an unsuspecting sea urchin, can be instantly encased in ice, trapped in a chilling embrace from which there is no escape. The process begins when sea ice forms at the surface. As the ice crystals grow, they expel dense, salty brine, which is much colder and heavier than the surrounding seawater. This supercooled brine sinks rapidly, creating a plume that freezes the seawater it touches, forming a sheath of ice around itself as it descends. The result is a hollow tube of ice, a brinicle, growing ever downward, its interior filled with the dense, salty brine that continues to flow from above. Some brinicles can reach all the way to the ocean floor where they spread across the seabed like icy roots, freezing everything in their wake. For the marine life below, these icy fingers are a silent threat. Creatures that move too slowly or fail to sense the approaching cold can be caught and frozen solid, preserved in ice until the brinicle melts away. Brinicles remained a scientific mystery for decades, until they were first captured on film in Antarctica in 2011. This groundbreaking footage revealed their eerie beauty and deadly efficiency to the world for the first time. These icy structures highlight the harsh, unforgiving beauty of life beneath the polar ice, where survival depends on adaptation to extremes. Yet, paradoxically, the same nutrient-rich brine that forms brinicles also sustains a surprising array of deep-sea organisms. Some species thrive in the brine's unique chemistry, finding food and shelter in the very environment that can be so deadly to others. In this frozen world, nature's balance is on full display. Predators and prey, life and death, all shaped by the icy forces at play. Brinicles are both deadly and vital, a paradox of the polar seas where the line between danger and survival is as thin and fragile as ice itself. Over Venezuela's Lake Maracaibo, the Catatumbo lightning storms rage, flashing up to 300 times an hour, night after night. Warm Caribbean air collides with cold mountain winds, creating the perfect conditions for this endless electrical show. Methane from nearby marshes may amplify the storm's intensity, making the lightning even more spectacular. Beyond the spectacle, these storms help fertilize the land by turning atmospheric nitrogen into plant-friendly nitrates. Catatumbo lightning is both a natural wonder and a vital force for the ecosystem. It's a living symphony of light, thunder, and life. Deep in the heart of Death Valley, at a place called Racetrack Playa, a strange and captivating phenomenon has puzzled scientists and visitors alike for decades. Here, in one of the hottest and driest places on Earth, heavy stones, some weighing hundreds of pounds, seem to move all by themselves, gliding silently across the cracked desert floor and leaving behind long, winding trails. These mysterious sailing stones have sparked wild theories and endless curiosity, as no one had ever witnessed them in motion for years. The secret behind this natural wonder is as fascinating as the mystery itself. On rare winter nights, a thin layer of water covers the playa, and as temperatures drop, it freezes into sheets of ice. When the morning sun rises, the ice begins to crack and break apart. Then, with just the right amount of wind, sometimes only a gentle breeze, the rocks are slowly pushed across the slick, wet surface, their paths etched into the mud below. It's a delicate balance of ice, water, and wind, coming together in perfect harmony. For years, the movement of these stones remained an unsolved riddle, with no one ever catching them in the act. But in 2014, a team of researchers set up time-lapse cameras and finally captured the stone's slow journey. The footage revealed a mesmerizing dance. Thin ice sheets, nudged by the wind, gently pushing the rocks along. It was a moment of scientific discovery that brought clarity to a decades-old enigma, showing how even the most unlikely forces can shape our world. The trails left behind by these stones can stretch for hundreds of feet, weaving intricate patterns across the barren landscape. Each trail is a silent record of nature's subtle power, a reminder that even the gentlest forces, ice, wind, and water, can move mountains or at least very large rocks. What once seemed impossible is now understood as a beautiful example of Earth's quiet ingenuity. The sailing stones of Death Valley remind us that the planet is full of surprises, and that sometimes the most extraordinary mysteries are solved not by force but by patience and careful observation. Even in the harshest, most unforgiving places, nature finds ways to astonish us, inviting us to look closer, to wonder, and to never stop exploring the secrets of our remarkable world. Lenticular clouds hover above mountains like smooth flying saucers, so strange they're often mistaken for UFOs. They form when moist air flows over peaks, creating stationary lens-shaped clouds sculpted by wind and topography. Pilots know them as signs of turbulence, but for skywatchers, they're a mesmerizing spectacle. Their smooth, motionless forms ignite imaginations and remind us of the atmosphere's artistry. Lenticular clouds prove that even the sky can play tricks on our senses. Which of these rare wonders would you want to see? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more natural marvels every week. Join us next time as we uncover more of Earth's most incredible spectacles.